Alright, we're rolling into Danvers, exit 70 off of I-95 south. And we are almost there. Let's see if I can't get you this whole video. It's not really tricky, but it might be daunting the first time. I mean, it's easy to go by it. It's easy to take the wrong exit. I've definitely done it a couple times, especially on the way out. I'll record that also because that's a little tricky. There's a turn that's like so easy to mistake if you're going by the map. Alright. Why are we going so slow? It's going to be a turn on the Danvers Industrial Drive. Just like anything else, like once you do it a gazillion times, you have it memorized. I have it memorized. So we're going 40 and 50. Here's the Danvers Industrial Park to get to Hansen. Industrial Park, easy. And it's going to be that first left right here. And you don't want to go all the way to the back of the building like I did the first time I came here. It's a little tricky. It's this first spot over, looks like it right over there. Don't block my entrance. Of course you are. That's right there. That door. That's where you're going in. In that door. So drop off those two further stacks. When you pick it up, it'll be in this room. You come through the door and it'll be somewhere in here. There you go. That's the door. Alright, leaving Hansen. Leaving Hansen. Take a right. Watch out for over there. Leaving Hansen. Alright, it's so easy to take the wrong turn. I've done it like probably 2 or 3 times. No joke. Look this way. Look that way. Oh yeah, people are going for it. Actually, there is a lane that you can turn off onto briefly, but I wouldn't count on anybody letting you on. Alright, yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Right there. Alright. It's so easy to take that right. Like if you're going by the map, I swear to God, it'll tell you to turn there. Don't turn there. Don't turn at Sophie. Turn at the very one after Sophie. Dayton Street. Woo! And then you're gonna take a first left. You don't have a stop sign, but you do need to watch out for oncoming traffic. Whoa! Look out! Easy pass. All right, then you take that first left right after this person. After here. All right. Easy to screw up, or easy to do right the first time. All right, look here. This is us. 95. Watch out for these guys. They're not going to stop for you. They will not stop for you. No, they won't. Alright, I think we're good though. We're going. And 95 north. 95 north. Easy peasy. Merging. Onto 95 north. Or not. No, this ain't 95 north. It's my bad. We're merging onto Route 1. Yep. Yep. There, I'm gonna want to let you on. Thank you. So we're back on 1, heading in the opposite direction. Once we can, of course. We're gonna want to get in the left lane. Get back onto 95 north. And then from here, when you pick those parts up, you're gonna stay on 95 north until exit 1. First exit, exit 1, that'll be Seabrook. You'll take a left, you'll go through a set of lights, you'll take a left at another set of lights. You want to turn from the rightermost lane, I think it is, because as soon as you make that turn, one of the lanes ends. Well, you'll figure it out after the first couple of times of doing it. One of those lanes ends right away, and I think it's the left, so you want to stay right. Anyway, now that this is going to turn into like a 20-minute series of videos, we're just about back to the highway. It's really not bad after you've done it a few times. I mean, yeah, there's always going to be asshole drivers. That's a given, but otherwise, I say don't let that ruin your ride. 95 north. And you can smoke in the van. You might want to sometimes. Nobody's going to say anything. Boom. 95 north. Back to New Hampshire. Looking for exit 1. Seabrook. Aerodynamics. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. So long. Almost there. Merrimack River. Hey, welcome to New Hampshire. There's the rest area. There's the sign right after the rest area to welcome you. Beautiful New Hampshire. Live free or die. Mostly die. Welcome to New Hampshire. Whoa. And exit 1 is going to be right there. Take that exit, take a left at the lights, go over that bridge, go through another set of lights, then you come to your next set of lights, you'll take a left, and then aerodynamics will be on your right. It's kind of hidden. You'll see something that looks like it should be where you're going, but it's not. It's the one right past it. It kind of sneaks up on you.